The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cabarrus County, north-central Mecklenburg County, southern Rowan County, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Salisbury to 10 miles north of Kannapolis to 12 miles southeast of Statesville to 8 miles north of Huntersville to 14 miles east of Lincolnton, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Huntersville, Kannapolis, downtown Concord, Salisbury, northeast Charlotte, west Concord, China Grove, Spencer, Landis, and Ennigo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page, or post it to X using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Cabarrus and Rowan.